Prime Minister Narendra Modi returned to his Lok Sabha constituency Varanasi for the first time since winning the seat in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, which concluded earlier this month. In the recent poll, Prime Minister Modi won a decisive victory in Varanasi, defeating Congress candidate Ajay Rai by a margin of 1,52,513 votes. In his first engagement in Kashi was with farmers as he attended a Kisan Sammelan. Prime Minister Modi was felicitated with a statue of a farmer by CM Yogi Adityanath to mark the mega event.
किसी सरकार ने इस तरह हैट्रिक नहीं लगाई थी। आपने ये सौभाग्य हमें दिया, अपने सेवक मोदी को दिया। आपका ये विश्वास मेरी बहुत बड़ी पूंजी है। आपका ये विश्वास मुझे लगातार आपकी सेवा के लिए देश को नई ऊंचाई पर पहुंचाने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करने की प्रेरणा देता है। आपके सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए, आपके संकल्पों को पूरा करने के लिए मैं हर प्रयास करूंगा।
Well, during his Kashi visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a tranche of DBT payout worth 20,000 crore rupees under the PM Kisan scheme. During the PM Kisan Samman Sammelan event, the Prime Minister also granted certificates to more than 30,000 women from self-help groups as Krishi Sakhis. After being elected from Banaras for Teesri Bar, Prime Minister went back to seek blessings from Ma Ganga. As he performed Ganga Aarti at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, he then visited Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Varanasi. Listen in to the reactions.
काशी वासियों के असीम स्नेह से मुझे तीसरी बार देश का प्रधान सेवक बनने का सौभाग्य मिला है। अब तो मां गंगा ने भी जैसे मुझे गोद ले लिया है, मैं यहीं का हो गया हूं।
So the Prime Minister was in his constituency. Rahul Gandhi, in his first interview since the Lok Sabha results, said that the Modi government is very fragile and the smallest disturbance can bring it down. In fact, without elaborating, he also claimed that several people from the NDA camp are in touch with him. Nervousness, instability, bravado, all charges echoed by the opposition. Listen in.
The Prime Minister has not gone to Kashi to authorize any Kisan Nidhi. The Prime Minister has gone to Kashi to assess, to reevaluate with his team. Why did he almost lose Kashi? His winning margin came down from 5 lakh to 1.5 lakh. He barely managed through. The reality is that the Prime Minister has no moral responsibility to be in this position because morally this has been a big defeat for him. I mean, he has had the lowest margin any Prime Minister in this country has had in a general election. He actually has no business being the Prime Minister after losing 63 seats right under his nose. He has gone to Kashi for reassessment, for reevaluation of what went wrong, how he barely managed to scrape through.
14 दिन बीत गए, चुनाव का परिणाम आए हुए। शायद नाराज कि पहले चुनाव हार रहे थे, फिर बामुश्किल 1 लाख 1.5 लाख वोट से जीते हैं, तो 14 दिन बाद आए हैं। इस बीच में विदेश घूमते रहे, जहां जहां काम करते रहे, पर वाराणसी की फिक्र नहीं आई। चलिए अब बाबा विश्वनाथ के दर्शन कर लें, गंगा आरती कर लें। ये एक रस्मी परंपरा है कि जो चुनाव जीतता है वो आता है। धन्यवाद देने के लिए विलंब से आ रहे हैं, पर आ तो रहे हैं।